Here is an interactive tour in a 360-degree format. Music plays when we pick up a modal. In Varwin, you can control the playback of sounds in play mode. Let's see how it works. Prepare audio in OGG or WAV format. Drag the file into the Varwin window. The audio file will appear in the Resources section of the library. Let's place the audio in the scene. Launch the 3D editor by clicking on Edit on Desktop. Find the audio object in the library of the 3D editor and drag it into the location. Then select your audio file for the object in the inspector. To check that the sound has loaded, click Play. To control the sound, place the cube object into the scene. Let's create a simple program. Save the scene, minimize the 3D editor window, and go to the Logic Blockly editor. Find the cube object in the Object section and drag the DoOnGrab Start and DoOnGrab End event blocks into the working area. Then find the audio object in the Object section and drag the Play block into the Grab block and the Pause block into the Ungrab block. Done! Save the logic and click Preview on desktop or in VR to see the result. Use audio and other media objects to create interactive tours. Join our Discord community to chat with other developers and learn awesome VR development hacks.